Want to take control of your money but don't know where to start? This video breaks down 5 simple steps to build a strong financial foundation. Step 1. Track your money. Know where every rupee goes. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Protect yourself with 3 to 6 months of savings. Step 3. Start investing early. Even Rs 500, Rs 1000 monthly can grow massively. Step 4. Avoid bad debt. Credit cards can destroy wealth if misused. Step 5. Keep learning. Personal finance is the skill schools never taught us. Remember, small consistent steps are greater than big random moves. Perfect for beginners who want to manage money smartly, save more, and start their investing journey. Step 1 Finance tip for beginners. Track your money first. Before investing, before saving, before anything, the first step is knowing where your money goes. Why it matters, helps you cut unnecessary expenses, shows your real spending habits, creates clarity for savings and investments. How to track? Use a notebook, old school but powerful. Try apps like Wallet, Money Manager, or Excel, review weekly and monthly. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Start today. Write down every single expense, even that Rs20T. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. 3 source in 6 months of expenses saved. Life is unpredictable. Job loss, medical bills, urgent repairs. That's why your first financial shield is an emergency fund. What is it? Cash savings worth 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses kept aside. Not for shopping or vacations. Why it's important? Protects you during job loss, covers medical emergencies, gives peace of mind. Where to keep it? Savings account, liquid mutual funds, FD with easy withdrawal. Rule: don't invest it in risky assets. It's for emergencies only. Start today. Even Rs 500, Rs 1000 a month adds up. Step 3. Start investing early. The earlier you start, the richer you get. Why? Power of compounding. Example: if you invest just Rs on a month in an index fund at 12% returns, start at age 22. Rs 2.3, CR by 60, start at age 32. Only say Rs 70. Lack lesson: time in the market. Timing the market. How to start? Open a Demat Plus SIP account. Start with index funds or ETFs. Automate monthly investments. Even our Rs 500, Rs 1000 is enough. But consistency is the real magic. Don't wait for the right time. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best is today. Step 4. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but credit card and personal loans equal wealth destroyers. Why avoid them? Credit cards, 36 to 42% annual interest. Personal loans, high EMIs equals stress result. Your future income is already spent today. Example: swipe Rs 10,000 on credit card. Don't pay in 1 year, it can grow to Rs 14,000 plus just in interest. What to do instead? Use credit card only if you can pay in full every month. Borrow only for assets, house, education. Not for lifestyle. Build an emergency fund to avoid debt traps. Rule: if you can't pay it back immediately, don't borrow it. Say no to bad debt today, a yes to financial freedom tomorrow. Step 5. Be consistent. Wealth is built with time plus a discipline. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built with small, consistent steps done for years. Why consistency matters? SIP of Rs 1000 month grows into Rs 23. Lack in 20 years, but irregular investing equals broken growth. Discipline beats motivation. Always. How to stay consistent? Automate your SIP investments. Budget monthly and stick to it. Track progress quarterly. Don't stop during market dips. Remember, slow, steady, and consistent always wins the wealth game. Start small, stay consistent, grow big. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple finance tips.